Okay, so here's an incredible self-working card trick where a spectator can name any number between 10 and 20 and there'll be an ace at every number that they name. Check this out. Anyone can do it. If you've got two hands, even if you've got one, trust me, this will work perfectly fine. Check this out. Give you a number between 10 and 20. Okay, let's go 12. And all you have to do is go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we add the numbers that make up 12. So 1 and 2 are 3. So 1, 2, 3. And you get an ace. I know. Check this out. We can do it again. Any number between 10 and 20. Let's go for 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we add 1 and 5, that is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insane. We'll do it again. And let's say they give you the number 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11. 1 and 1 is 2. 1, 2. And last but not least, they give you the number 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 and 3 are 4. So we just have to count 1, 2, 3. And the fourth card is an ace. And that's a self-working card trick that virtually anybody can do. And I'm going to teach you the secret to it right now. Hey, what's cracking everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Look, today I've got, yes, another self-working card trick for you. And this one here that you've just seen is it's very, very simple to do. It's all mathematical, and for my little brain, I just can't comprehend how it works. But I'm sure you're going to love it. There's two versions to it that I'm going to teach you. Actually, sorry, there is one version, but I'm also going to teach you a couple of very, very simple false shuffles to help you make this look a little bit more incredible. So without any further ado, let's get right into it, and like and subscribe if you're new, and let's get right into it. I'll see you there. Okay, so the secret to this trick is it's basically all mathematical. It's perfectly self-working, so there's no sleight of hand involved whatsoever. And here's how it works. So you count 9 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then you have the aces at 10, 11, 12, and 13th position. And that's it. The cards are ready to go. Now, if you want, you can add in some, crazy false shuffles if you want to. It's entirely up to you. If you do want to learn some of these ones, I'll leave a link just up here if you want to learn them. So basically that keeps the cards in that same order. Okay. Anyway, but this is a self-working card trick today. So the cards now, the aces, so you can use any cards. It doesn't have to be the aces, whatever you want. And all you have to do is ask them to name any number between 10 and 20. Now, I will say that they can't choose 20. Okay, so if they say 20, all you have to do is say, yeah, but somewhere between 10 and 20. Or you could say, oh, 20 is too much to count to. But in my experience, people don't really say 20. Okay, they try and give you a really random number. But they can give you 10. And if they do say 10, because there's an ace at the at the 10th position, you can count straight to 10. So let me go through it with you. Basically, any number between 10 and 20, let's say they give 12, you just count face down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Place these to the side. You pick these up and then you say, so 12, 1 and 2 makes 12, so let's add those two numbers together. That makes 3. And so you just go 1, 2, and the third card will go to the side and it will be an ace. These cards that are in your hand go on top of these, and these go on top of the pack, and you're now set to go again. And so let's say they go 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You do the same, you add 1 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you will get an ace. These go on top, and you place these on top of the pack, and you go again. Now, if they say 10, Sorry, you don't do it face up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You just say, look, your card just happened to be right at the 10th position, or the other ace. Okay, and these just go straight back on top. And then the last one, whatever you want, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 and 1 is 2. 1, 2, get your round of applause. And then you can do it again if you want. There's a little setup, takes about 5 seconds to do, but that's no problem. Now I'm going to teach you a couple of little simple false shuffles if you want to make this look a little bit more incredible. Okay, so I'm going to go over a few basic, and I mean very, very basic false shuffles that you can do. And it just makes the trick look a little bit more impossible. It creates the illusion that they're getting shuffled. Now, if you want to learn these crazy ones here that I was doing earlier, there's a little link up here if you want to learn them. But these ones here are super basic, so for those who are just getting into magic or the complete novice. So I'll teach an overhand shuffle that is quite simple. And so what you want to do, instead of shuffling this way where you've got the backs facing out, so this is a standard overhand shuffle, and that's obviously shuffling the cards. You're going to do the exact same motion, but you're going to have the cards facing out. So you're going to have the faces out that way. And what you're going to do, I'll turn this way so you can see, is you're actually going to grip some of the cards. So if you just want to keep, say, the 10 of clubs on the top of the pack, all you have to do is hold them like this as if you're going to do the overhand shuffle, and you just put a bit of pressure on the cards and you just peel the rest around that top card, and then you just shuffle onto the bottom, and that maintains the 10 of clubs on top. And the same goes if you want to do the trick that we've just learnt, but all you have to do now is just grab a block of cards, and you'll know how many is more than 10. So you just grab a block, and it's important you do it quick too. And so if we were going to keep the 10 of clubs and all of these cards here, watch this. All you have to do is just grab them like this and just shuffle over, and you see they're still there. Okay, and so if you want to do one card, you can. Just do it like so, just a standard overhand shuffle, and you keep the 10 of clubs. Or if you want to do a block, you grab a block like so, like that, and then just quickly shuffle over the top. So that's a very simple overhand shuffle. Now if you want to do another one, which is called, I think it's called the Hindu shuffle, usually it looks like this, where you got the cards face down. And you know what, most people, when you give them your cards, they will shuffle like that. So they are familiar with this type of shuffle. But an easier way to do it, to keep it a false shuffle, so if we have the King of Hearts on top, is to do the same move, but do it face up. And it looks like this. So you just peel off like so. You just peel off the top. And then you're going to keep the King of Hearts is always going to be right here. And then all you have to do now is just slam that on the table and put the rest on top. And the King of Hearts is still right here. Now if you want to do the trick, the self-working trick we've learnt, same thing goes. But this time, what you're going to do is when you're doing the Hindu shuffle, you're going to stop when you have more than 10 cards here. When you've got your block, you're confident that's 10, drop them on the table, just go like that. And in speed, it just looks like this. And it looks like you just cut the cards. So that is the self-working card trick with a couple of false shuffles there. Shuffles or shuffles? False shuffles, I like that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. So I know we've been on a bit of a roll lately with self-working card tricks, and quite frankly, I'm not sorry. I'm actually really enjoying them. Let me know though, down in the comments below, if you would like to see complicated routines that involve sleight of hand and all the fancy stuff. I'm more than happy to teach those as well. Or if you want to keep me doing the self-working stuff, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to do that as well. So that's all I got time for. Like and subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys for getting me to 40,000 subscribers. It happened today. Made me very, very happy, hence why there's another upload. So love you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.